Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Nate Polmateer here, where I go over investing, finance, cryptocurrency, anything to do with personal money matters. And today I'm bringing to you the Lending Club. And no, this is not sponsored in any way, but I just want to give you guys different options that you can look at. So today we're going to walk through the Lending Club, what it is, who they are, what they offer, what people have to say about it, and all that stuff. Let's get into the video and get into see what the Lending Club is all about. All right, so here we are at the Lending Club, and what does the Lending Club say? Well, they say your finance matters to you, and that matters to us. Now, is the Lending Club a really good option for you? It might be. Let's see. There's some things that their members actually say, but here is what they are saying. They're saying they're rewriting the rules of traditional banking, and we only win when our customers succeed. And they've helped over 4 million customers reach their goals, and they say they're just getting started. You have the ability to choose a loan amount up to $40,000 with the Lending Club. They offer fixed rates, a monthly repayment plan to fit with your budget, and they understand the importance of getting the money you need. And what a time to get money you need right now, right? In this recession, in high inflation, you really need to look at ways to maybe borrow, maybe look at non-traditional ways, because maybe banks right now are just like, yeah, we're not going to lend to you. But this platform is really slick, and this is how a personal loan actually works with the Lending Club. You apply in minutes, you get a customized loan options based on what you tell us. You choose a loan offer, select the rate and the payment options that you like best, and then you get funded. So these guys essentially say, okay, if you have a good credit, this is what you can get. If you don't have good credit, well, you can still get a loan, but it just might not be as good as you want. And these are the rates that you're going to get. It says bank smarter with the Lending Club. Open a personal bank as well with the Lending Club and enjoy no monthly maintenance or overdraft fees. Plus, manage your accounts from anywhere, 24/7 access to Lending Club mobile app. 4 million members, over $70 billion that they have lent out. They want financial well-being for everyone. What is it about the Lending Club that is different? Well, let's learn who they are. They say they're helping Americans meet their life goals. And since 2007, so if we do the math on that, that's 15 years. They've been around. More than 4 million members have joined in 15 years. They've helped them reach their financial goals. And as the only full spectrum fintech marketplace bank at scale, their members can gain access to a broad range of financial products. So if you go with the Lending Club, you have all kinds of financial products that you can go with. There's investing options, there's saving options, there's banking options, there's loan options. Not every bank is actually going to be able to invite these kinds of offers. Some of them might be able to say, well, you can invest with us, but you're going to have to go somewhere else for your savings. Well, you can get a mortgage with us, but you're going to have to go somewhere else with your investing, and so on and so forth. So they have products and services through a technology-driven platform designed to help them pay less when borrowing and earn on more savings. Now, we really want to know what their commitment is about, and these are the things that they're committed to. They're saying we are only a full wow. We're the only full spectrum fintech marketplace bank built on the belief that innovative, creative solutions deliver more value and better experience. Well, so many people can say that, right? And they can say that day and night, but are they actually delivering? Delivering world-class experiences. Accessing money should be seamless. And they're right, it should be seamless. If you want to get your money, it should be like this. So many times in the traditional banks, you have to go over all these leaps and bounds. And sometimes, that's great for safety and protection of the customer. But at the same time, it shouldn't be this really difficult process to open up a bank account. It shouldn't be a difficult process to do anything. And when you're in the US and you have so many options, you should be able to do something easy. But it's just not that way with the traditional banking systems. They say they're committed to making borrowing and saving simple and easy for everyone. Do what's right. We're lending the governance of a new industry, developing ethical, responsible ways to bring greater value and better opportunities. They're talking about ethical banking, how they loan out their money, how they don't redline people. Like, this is absolutely criminal what's been going on in the past. And they're saying, you know what? We are going to commit to ethical banking process. It doesn't matter who you are, race, color, skin, whatever neighborhood you grew up in, socioeconomic background, that doesn't matter. Come in, show us the numbers. What is your income? How much do we think you can borrow based on math, not based on where you're from? This is what they're all about. Level playing field. They're saying everyone deserves a better financial future. And that's absolutely right. Forget about all these people that have so much money and they just keep getting more and more. Yet the poor and middle class like us just have to struggle to get by. Well, they're going to offer Americans the ability to borrow and keep the cost low and opportunity high. All right, so what have they accomplished? Well, they're on Forbes 2014. In 2014, they were the best place to work. Fast Company 50, most innovative companies. They're transforming an industry requiring new ways of thinking and doing. Throughout our first decade, we've been recognized for our ideas, innovative technology, and business success. Let's look at their customer reviews though, because this is really the apple pie of what a company is all about. Because you can say all kinds of jargon and then look at them and they're like, I don't know. So apparently, not many of their customers actually review them. So they have over 4 million people that have been through, and only 65,000 have reviewed them. Come on, people. Maybe people just don't like doing reviews. You need to do your reviews so when we look at these products, we can be like, yeah, I'm going to go to this. So 4.83 out of 5 is pretty decent on 65,000 reviews. Always there when you need an excellent experience. John, a member from New Jersey. Maybe they should have put a little more information on that. What else does it say? It says, we love hearing from our members. Take a look. So, great rate, very helpful. I was referred from a banker whose wife got a loan, and he told me how easy it was for her. So I tried it first. I went online, but was afraid to continue. Therefore, I called to talk to a rep. She was patient and very helpful, and all my worries went away. These people absolutely want to help you out. They want to get money in your hands so you can start up your own business, so you can pay off that debt, so you can stop drowning. Let's look at what their personal loan rates and just what they offer. Okay, so these rates are incredibly crazy high. In Canada, I have not seen rates this high, but maybe this is a product that you're going to want to choose. Maybe these rates look good to you. Personally, I have a line of credit that's 3.99%. That's a lot lower than 6.34 to 35.89. And when I used to serve court papers in Canada, I saw rates for personal loans up to 49%. That's crazy. Zero prepayment or application fees. Well, that's a good start. So, how do they determine their APR? Well, they say they determine their annual percentage rate based on several factors, such as your income credit history. Do you have a good credit rating? If you don't, make sure to check out companies like Borrowwell, Credit Karma, those kinds of companies. You can track your credit, you can find out how to build your credit, and we'll have videos in the future just showing you how to even do that. The amount you want to borrow and your total debt to income. So, total debt to income is basically how much you're bringing in each month and then how much your debt is. So if you have $1,000, let's make it simpler. If you have $100 of income each month and you have $30 in debt you have to pay, that is 30% debt to income ratio. So the higher that percentage is, if your debts are like 85% of, like, it's going to be very difficult to buy, but they want you, or to get loans, they want you to be in a place where your debt to income ratio is low. So they present you with a loan offer based on what you can qualify for. how rates and fees work. So interest rate, what you pay in interest annually, shown as a percentage of the total amount borrowed. So if you borrow, $50 or $100, sorry, and it's 30% interest, that 30% is going to immediately go on the loan. Origination fee, a one-time fee of 2 to 6% of your loan amount based on your credit rating and charged only when you receive your loan. Now, this is kind of tricky because remember when they came up to the top and they say, you know what, we have no like application fees, none. Okay, but you're charging an origination fee? Really, lending club? Are you really in it for the little guy now? Because it's kind of sounding like you're not. You're charging me a one-time fee of 2 to 6%. That might not sound like a lot when you're doing $100 and it's $2. When you're doing 1,000, it's 20. You borrow 20,000 and it's 200. I don't know. That seems like a low fee, but it actually can add up. So you'll want to negotiate that for sure. Annual percentage rate, the total annual cost of your loan, including interest rate and origination fee, and the true cost of borrowing. Use APR to compare loan costs across lenders. All right, so here is kind of a map of if you were to borrow from the lending club. 36-month term, your loan amount is $6,000. Interest rate of 9.56%. That's a bit outrageous, but let's go with it. Your origination fee is going to be $300. Your APR is 13% because they've added that extra 4% or so, 3-point-something% on top of your APR or on top of your interest rate. And now the amount deposited is going to be $5,700. So you're going to owe them $6,000. They're going to give you $5,700 right off the top. That's probably for risk. And it says your actual monthly payment will vary on your terms and conditions of your loan. For here, it shows a payment of $192.37. For that loan, you're actually going to be paying $6,900 for a loan of $5,700. So you're going to be paying $1,200, or the cost of borrowing for you is going to be about $1,200. Their members are still saying, I've used Lending Club 4 times. Even though I'm paying an extra $1,200 for that loan, I'm using them, and it's been great. All right. Frequently asked questions. How can I use a personal loan? You can use a personal loan for just about anything. Paying off high interest credit cards, consolidating interest debt. So guys, actually this could be something good if you had like a crazy high interest debt, crazy loan. You could use the Lending Club. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the Lending Club. I hope you guys enjoyed this, learning more about finances. And this is mainly for US users. Actually, it's absolutely only for US users. I hope you guys learned a little bit more about the Lending Club. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and also make sure to subscribe below for more content on this I'll be bringing to you in the future. Until next time, I'll see you guys next week.